Happy April 15th, everyone. Hope you are breathing out there. Hey there, tax pros. Hope you are breathing as well. But I want to come and just chat with my fellow real estate investors, my fellow business owners, just about tax season within itself, what's okay and what's not okay. I'll go through three different things. The first thing is it is absolutely okay to file an extension. Remember that extension is an extension to file your tax return, not to pay your tax return. So keep that in mind. Get with your tax professional early enough. Give them the courtesy of giving them the information early enough so that they can assist you. You never want to be in a position or put your tax professional in a position where they are rushing to get your numbers to you. When you do that, what happens is you may not get the result that you were looking for. You're going to get that quick result. Ah, yeah, they gave me a number. But tax returns take time. Tax return preparation, especially the more information that you have, those returns take time. If you have yourself a good tax preparer, they are checking for things that you can't imagine so that you will not, in hopes that you won't get a nasty gram from the IRS or the state agency. Not saying that you won't anyways, but you're less likely to get a letter when things are done right, when your tax return has been cared for. Now, you guys know, or you may not know, I don't do a whole lot of tax prep in my practice anymore. I don't do like the one-off tax returns, but I have colleagues across the country that do just a beautiful job, if you will, on working on tax returns, preparing tax returns. Now, so that first tip is it's okay to file an extension, give your tax preparer time to file the tax returns. You don't want them missing something because you have rushed them. The second tip I have for you is to understand your tax preparer is filing a tax return. That return is recording history, okay? That tax return or that tax return engagement, the service that they're providing you, is only to record history. If you want to save on your taxes, if you need a tax savings assessment, if you need a comprehensive consultation to talk about how to lower your tax bill, that is a different engagement. Okay, that has nothing to do with the tax preparation. Keep that in mind. You you would be amazed at people that come to me and they're like, oh, my tax preparer didn't do this, they didn't do that. Oh, you just told me about something that they never told me. I wonder why they never told you. I wonder why they never told me about this. Some people will say, a lot of people will say, well, you went to them for something different. You went to them not for advice, and if you went to them for advice, you may not have paid them for advice, or you may not have expressed that you wanted advice, or they may not offer that type of service. They may not offer an advisory service, and it's okay. You can get that elsewhere. When I am getting people out of tax trouble and I'm combing through their previous year's tax returns or just their information in general, because lots of times there aren't any previous tax returns, we have to get them filed for them. I hear so many times, oh my gosh, no one has ever told me that before. My tax professional has never told me that before. Do not fault your tax professional per se. Just know that there is a difference between the tax preparation and the tax advisory services. Okay. Now, so it's okay to go to your tax professional and say, hey, can you offer advice on how to lower my tax bill? Now, here's the thing. Some tax professionals may not offer that as a service. It's okay if they don't offer that as a service. There are others out there that can offer advisory services or assessments of tax, lowering your tax bill. It's okay to go and get an assessment from someone else to lower your tax bill and go right back to your tax professional where they can prepare the tax returns at the end of the year. Your goal is to not pay a dime, a nickel, a penny more in taxes than you should. So go get the assessment done, the tax savings assessment done, so that you can lower your tax bill. It's okay to do so. Now, what it's not okay to do, this is my number 3, it is not okay for you to have unfiled tax returns. It is not okay for you to avoid nasty grams from the IRS or your state agencies. Things don't get better. I'm telling you guys, it is getting worse at the IRS. You may have heard my podcast. I think I sent it out maybe about a month ago on what's going on with the IRS, how the IRS is, instead of hiring new people, they are actually getting rid of people. It's April 15th, so they are about to get rid of another wave of people. So it is going to get very crucial very soon. So if you have unfiled tax returns, if you have letters that you have ignored from the IRS, it is not okay for you to continue that cycle. It's not okay to just put those letters on the table or in a drawer. It's not okay for you to have these unfiled tax returns because the IRS is becoming more automated. And as a result, you're not going to have the luxury, if you will, of dealing with a human when resolving your tax issues. So you want to get those tax issues resolved as soon as possible. Those are my okays and not okays for today. Again, happy April 15th. If you need any assistance in filing any back taxes, if you need assistance in addressing those IRS letters, if you need assistance in lowering your tax bill, please reach out to us at www.callthetaxpro.com. That's www.callthetaxpro.com. We'll be happy to assist you. And remember, it is okay, it is perfectly okay to allow your tax pros to file extensions for you. Take care.